Welcome to Rajasthali Resort and Spa, Jaipur, where the grandeur of Rajasthan's royal heritage meets modern day luxury. Nestled against the ancient Aravalli Hills, this 5-star sanctuary is designed to transport you to an era of erstwhile royalty. Our accommodations are a tribute to traditional craftsmanship. The premier palace rooms offer elegant comfort with authentic Rajasthani decor. For a unique stay, experience the life of a nomad king in our royal tents, blending rustic charm with premium amenities. Indulge in our grand luxury tents featuring private balconies and your very own jacuzzi for the ultimate romantic retreat. The presidential suite stands as the pinnacle of luxury, offering palatial space, private pools, and unmatched privacy. Culinary delights await at Jharokha Café, where regional Rajasthani flavors are served alongside breathtaking hill views. Experience the award-winning Sunset Grill for an open-air tandoori dinner under the starry Jaipur sky. Rejuvenate your senses at Pavitra Spa, offering world-class Ayurvedic treatments and holistic wellness therapies. From the free-form outdoor pool to scenic cycling trails, every corner of our 25-acre estate invites relaxation. Looking for the perfect wedding destination? Rajasthali Resort is where fairy tales come to life in the heart of the Pink City. Host your grand celebration in the opulent Swarn Mahal ballroom, designed for magnificent indoor gatherings. For mid-size functions, Diwan Khas offers a modern yet royal ambience that your guests will never forget. Our massive Aravali Lawns provide a stunning 40,000 square foot canvas for grand weddings with up to 3,000 guests. From intimate mehndi ceremonies to lavish sunset receptions on the terrace, we curate every detail of your special day. With world-class catering and impeccable hospitality, we ensure your wedding is as legendary as the land itself. Whether it's a luxury getaway or the wedding of your dreams, your royal journey begins here at Rajasthali Resort. Thanks for watching this tour. For more luxury travel and wedding inspiration, make sure to follow for more.